Today, take a look at the Jam4 Pro Power Bank. Got a nice clean look there on the front, power button there on the side, and that lights up our interface. We are currently at 63%. On the top we got two USB-A ports, we got a USB-C port, and we also have these integrated cables. So we got USB-A, USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. These are all flat cables and they got kind of a nice texture there on them, and we can see the power ratings for all of those ports and cables there on the side. Most importantly there on the top it says that is a 50,000 milliamp hour bank. So that is a ton of power in such a small package. It also comes with a charging cable, it's USB-A to USB-C. And we got our instructions. Let's go ahead and charge the phone. Okay, we can see we are currently in power delivery mode, and we can see that we are fast charging. So coming from a place where you would normally find a power bank in 50,000 milliamp hours being the size of something more like a car battery, this is just an awesome little power supply. And plus having those cables in the back means we don't even have to carry anything with it. As long as we got this brick, we can charge our phone. So overall, that is an awesome little power bank.